Two ways to hide the mess. One lets you work with multiple superpowers, the other brings structure. Which do you choose? Well, it's your boy again, and today we are pitting interfaces versus abstract classes. So, no stress, we'll break it down in a chill and simple way. First of all, what's the main differences between an abstract class and an interface? We have four differences on the screen right now. The first one is inheritance. So abstract classes, as we've seen before, extends a parent class. Then interfaces implements. Then multiple inheritance is a feature in abstract class, no, but it's a feature in interface. The next is the abstract method. Is it a feature in abstract class? Yes. So you can have both abstract and concrete methods, while in the interface, all methods are abstract by default until Java 8 above. Next, for constructors, for abstract class, yes, they permit constructors, but for interfaces, they do not. So, brings us to the next question. When to use abstract classes? When you want to prove default behavior, when classes are closely related. You need state/fields in the base class. So the point one is when you want to provide a default behavior, you use an abstract class by extending the parent class. Then when classes are closely related, like the animal class we used, creating a cat is closely related to the animal. Hence we extend. Then you need when you need states/fields in the base class. All right. Next up is when to use interface. Now you use interface when they are unrelated classes and they need to share functionality. So say for instance a class of animal and a class of house, or say a class of dog and a class of house. They are not related. They are not in the same. One is a living thing, another is a non-living thing. So you can use interface to share functionality. Then the second point is for multiple instance of type. Then the third one is you only care about method contracts, not implementation. So let's see a code snippet comparison. For abstract class, you have the abstract taking class animal, where abstract void speak, meaning we are hiding how the hiding a speak method there. So the only method we are seeing now is the sleep method. Then the next one is the interface. Interface shows you it has a special keyword also saying interface flyer void fly. Okay, so you don't need to know what's going on right now. Then when we have these two classes such as the abstract class and the interface class, then all we need to do is create a class implementing both. Now we call this the class of bed. Now watch this. Bed extends animal and implements flyer. Can you see the magnificent way of implementing both? So we see that each has its own benefits. Each has its own use. So abstract was used to declare animal, and interface was used to declare what the animal does. Now, using a single class, we say bed extends animal and implements flyer. Now, we call the void speak function and says system.out.println tweet. Then the second one, we call the void fly, which wasn't declared earlier, and we mention the method, we now say flying high. So that is how you can implement both abstract and interface to make a very, very good combo in your code. So here's a pro tip. You can implement multiple interfaces, but only extend one abstract class. So let's go back to the previous code. We can have so many interfaces for fly, for landing, for spreading of wings, but we only extend one abstract class, which is animal. So, in short, use abstract classes when you care about behavior plus state. Then, use interfaces when you only care about a contrast. Please like, sub, and comment. Hashtag Java Battle if you are ready for the next stage. The next stage is going to contain reward projects. So a sub to the channel would be fantabulous. Please leave a sub to this channel and also comment the errors in which you had in your code. If you do not have any error, comment hashtag Java Battle and we'll see you in the reward project and you are going to know what we are going to be building in the reward project.